Hey loves, it's your girl Katrina and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a long awaited video that y'all have been asking me for forever. It is a brow tutorial. Obviously you can tell by the title, that's why you clicked on the video, but I'm finally doing a brow tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be featuring Anastasia Beverly Hill's new Dipbrow gel product that she just came out with. It's not really a review, it's more just so a tutorial because I've already tried this product. I have my first impressions, everything, so it is just a updated brow routine for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into this video. So Anastasia Beverly Hills came out with a new brow product. Now we know that she is the eyebrow queen, so she came out with a Dipbrow gel. So there are 11 shades. It is supposed to be a long wear and smudge proof. Now usually in the Brow Wiz pencil I use either ebony or maybe like dark chocolate, but usually I'd go for ebony because I do my brows darker. But lately your girl has been wanting to like lighten up my brows and stuff, so for the purpose of this video and just switching up my brows, I've actually been going with the dark brown color instead of ebony because it's a little bit lighter. I'm going to show you the difference between the two. You can kind of see the difference between the two. This one is the dark brown and then this one is ebony. A lot of the products that she makes are kind of like cool tone. There are a couple that are a little bit warm, but for the most part they're cool tone, so I'm going with dark brown instead of ebony. I'm going to show you guys. So I'm just going to swatch it on the back of my hand. This one is a dark brown. And then this is the ebony color. So you can definitely see the difference between the two. Ebony is like way dark. It's kind of almost like a black brown, and then dark brown is just kind of like a cool tone dark brown color. So I'm gonna go with a dark brown. Usually I use a Brow Wiz pencil, but I'm all out. I'm gonna be using my Morphe eyebrow pencil in the color, what is this, chocolate mousse. This is one of my other favorite like brow products. It's like a holy grail brow product for me. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into this brow tutorial because I know y'all have been dying for me to do this. So yeah, so I pulled us in a little bit closer so you guys can really understand what I do to achieve the brows that I be having. So like I mentioned, I was doing my brows kind of darker before, and then it just started to look hella harsh. So I was like, okay, I need to soften them up so they look a little bit more natural, especially like when I'm not wearing like full glam and I just want a soft beat. So when I first used this product, I did it backwards. I just went straight in and started combing it through my brows. And if you have bomb brows, I think that's okay, or you're one of those girls who just does a little brow product and you're on the go and you don't like clean them up or anything, that's perfect. But if you're someone who like sculpts their brows, it's gonna be a little bit tricky. You're gonna have to go like back and forth, and that's what I was doing. And at first I was like, yeah, no, I do not like this product. But then I did it a different way yesterday, and you guys, my brows came out so bomb. So this is how we're gonna do it today. I'm going to be taking my Morphe eyebrow pencil in chocolate mousse, and I'm just going to start off by combing through my brows. And you always want to comb the way your eyebrow hairs grow in. So in the front I'll go up a little bit, and then for the most part I'll just bring it around town. This is really simple, it's not even going to take long. This process actually made my brow game like way shorter than it already was. So you're going to start off by just kind of just defining our brow, the bottom part of it. So I always like to start off towards the tail, and I kind of just like to like comb through. Now usually I know everyone follows how their brows just go like, you know, like straight down, but I kind of don't like to do that. So I'm actually going to cut through that part of my brows and take them straight instead. So there we have one defined brow. Sometimes I'll raise my brow to just get anything that I miss booming. So there's one part of my brow that is already kind of halfway there. So after this step, I like to just go ahead and clean up my brows. It kind of makes the process of doing my brows faster because then I don't have to come back and clean them up again. So I'm going to be taking my Morphe M224 brush and then my concealer by Too Faced. This is the multi-sculpting one that I'm like obsessed with, but this is what I use to clean up my brows. You can use anything that you want. Some people use foundation, the same thing as their skin tone, to kind of get more of a natural look instead of that like highlighted look. You can do whatever you want. So this is what I use. So this is my favorite brush for like cut crease, carving my brows, like anything. Like this is the best brush ever. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that concealer and we are just going to clean up my brows. And I like to just bring the extra product downwards. Kind of makes the process of blending out my concealer a little bit easier. And then I'm just going to blend that out using my favorite brush by e.l.f., their Flawless Concealer Brush. This brush is a lifesaver. If you do not have it, get it. It's only like $2 or $3. It's the best brush ever when it comes to like buffing things out, concealer, anything. So we're just going to press this into the skin. You can do circular motions if you want. Okay, so now we are clean and sculpted. I only clean up the bottom part. I do not mess with the top of my brows even after I've filled them in. I just leave them alone. It kind of just makes them look a little bit more natural rather than them just looking extremely sharp and you're like, girl, your brows are bomb. But so now this is where this comes into play. This is now one of my favorite brow products ever. So now we are just going to begin to comb through. And I'm just making sure that I comb upwards so the product goes through the strands of my hair. I'm going to try to get as close to the edge of my brows as possible. And so you can kind of already see the difference that it made. It's not too harsh, it's soft enough, and it's just filling in those like sparse hair patches right here that I have in some spots. So it's kind of just giving it a more full look, but you can still see like each hair strand. It doesn't look like completely like blocked out and like I just drew them on. You can definitely still see every like brush hair in there. Brush hair, brush strand, brush hair, hair strand. Hair strand. You can see every hair strand. Struggling, my bad. And then I'm just going to take my pencil and just fill in like the tail part of my brows. I'm just gonna lightly, and then I'm gonna go in the front of my brows. Just fill that in. So this is pretty much it for my brows, you guys. I don't do much. It doesn't really take me long to do them. Just like 3 easy steps and you are done with your brows. I'm sorry this video took me so long to film. I should have already did this video, but I was able to show you guys a new product in this video and update my brow routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you guys know when I upload. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so we can share this video with everyone so everyone can walk around 2019 with some bomb brows, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.